They laughed at you. They doubted you. Some of them smiled in your face, then talked about you when you left the room. Some people watched you struggle and secretly enjoyed it. Some people saw your pain and called it weakness. Some people saw your delay and called it failure. But let me tell you something right now. They judged the chapter. They never saw the ending. You are still here. After the heartbreak, after the betrayal, after the nights you cried in silence, after the mornings you smiled while feeling broken inside, after carrying pain nobody thanked you for. You are still here, and that means the story is not over. Listen carefully. Some of you think you need money to change your life. Some of you think you need connections. Some of you think you need permission. No, you need a decision. Because the moment you decide that excuses are dead, your new life begins. The biggest prison in America is not made of steel. It is made of fear. Fear of starting. Fear of failing. Fear of being judged. Fear of leaving people behind. Fear has kept more people broke than lack of talent ever did. Fear has kept more people average than lack of opportunity ever did. Fear has kept more dreams buried than failure ever did. So let me ask you something. How many more years will you hand over to fear? How many more mornings will you wake up with potential and go to sleep with regret? How many more times will you say, next month? That dangerous phrase. Next month, I'll start. And that should not depress you. That should free you. Because if nobody is coming, then the power returns to you. You become the answer. You become the breakthrough. You become the leader your family has been waiting for. Somebody in your bloodline has to break the cycle. Why not you? Fear leaves when courage enters. Do it scared. Do it tired. Do it broke. Do it alone. Do it misunderstood. Just do it. Because 1 year from now, you will wish you started today. And let me talk to the person who feels behind in life. Listen to me. You are not behind. You are on your own road. Social media lied to you. People only post highlights. They don't post panic attacks. They don't post debt. They don't post loneliness. They don't post the fake smiles. Stop comparing your real life to somebody else's edited trailer. Run your race. Build quietly. Win privately. Glow later. They're not lucky. They're consistent. They did what weak people refuse to do when it was cold, when it was boring, when it was lonely, when no one believed. Some nights you'll Repeat until your whole life changes. And when success comes, stay humble, stay hungry, stay disciplined, because getting there takes work.